Watania for Containers Manufacturing, CMC, is the most prominent name in manufacturing metal packaging materials for food and industrial products, proudly leading the list of factories producing metal packaging in the Middle East. CMC is specialized in manufacturing and supplying metal packaging consisting of 2 and 3 pieces to meet the needs of foodstuff packaging, engine oils packaging, paint and chemicals packaging, and others. Being one of the first Saudi factories specializing in manufacturing metal containers, CMC has charted the future of this industry and set standards of leadership and excellence. CMC combines advanced technologies, investing in the latest European production lines in its factories, while using the finest raw materials for manufacturing various packaging solutions that suit the needs of its customers. Its products include food cans, tuna and sardine cans, oil and lubricant cans, industrial paint cans, aerosol cans. Over the years, Watania for Containers Manufacturing CMC has produced billions of metal packaging. It has multiple capabilities, integrated sections for designing and processing printing plates, and quality laboratories with modern equipment for measuring testing devices. This is a positive reflection of its customers' continued trust and understanding of their needs and requirements, putting it in its current leading position to foresee its promising future. Watania for Industries. National industry with international quality.